Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discover the artistry and elegance of grand wedding cake designs. From towering tires adorned with intricate sugar flowers to luxurious fondant detailing, we explored breathtaking designs that elevate any wedding celebrations. Whether you're planning a classic affair or a modern event, these stunning creations will inspire your wedding cake dreams. Join us as we delve into the craftsmanship, trends, and tips to choosing the perfect grand cakes that truly become the centerpiece of your special day. Don't miss out on the visual feast of confectionery wonders. I hope these designs are helpful for you and you have many options to choose a beautiful design for the perfect day, that is your wedding day. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.